sparkling ice, coconut, and pineapple. It was okay. Will I buy it again? No. So the other flavors they have are black raspberry and cherry limeade. So I don't think I'll try those flavors. But what I was looking for is that sweet chili sauce because that'll be good when I make my shishitos. Oh, here it is. Woohoo! This is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna try this. The sweet chili sauce. I think that'll be cool. Alright, what else they got over here? Because I'm always looking for a nice dipping sauce that I can put on my stuff. Garlic mayo. Have you guys tried this garlic mayo? Let me know what you think about that. I have never tried it, but I'm always looking for new and interesting things. So let's keep looking because from here we're going to go to Michael's. Have you ever tried these scrubbing bubbles? I have one of these that I use to scrub my pans and my sink and stuff. But they changed the where you put the liquid dish soap in there. It used to be at the top where you could screw the top off. So now they have this hole right here where you can just put the liquid in there and pop this closed. So I'm gonna try this one and see. But this lasts for maybe like a month and then it's done. So alright guys, I'm gonna try one of these, and this one is called the soap dispenser brush for $1.25, and now they got the $1.25 on the ticket. All right, let me check out and let's head to our next store. Okay, so I was in the Dollar Tree today, and this is what I was showing you, this soap dispenser brush, and this is what changed. See how this new one, you put the soap right here in this hole, and then it collects in this area. But the one that I have, you unscrew the top. See, there's a top at a screw. You screw this part off, put the soap in there, dish soap in there, screw it back on, and you can see how the soap is collected in there. So when I saw this one today, I was like, this isn't the one that I normally have. So they're trying a new design. So I'm going to try this out, and then I'll come back and I'll let you guys know how this goes. But who can tell me, do they remember this flexible vinyl bracelet pin? It comes like this. It looks like this. And I used to always have these in school. See, it's like a bracelet. It's got a pin on the end. And then you can take it and you can write with it, see? And then when you're done writing with it, you put it on your wrist like a bracelet. So when I saw these at the Dollar Tree, I was so excited because it brought back such a wonderful, wonderful memory. So if you guys remember these, put it down in the comments and let me know. Woohoo! Because these were like, everybody was searching for these to have these for school. I know I was bugging my mama to get me one of these. And when I got mine, I couldn't wait to get to school to show my friends that I got mine. And they always came in a 2-pack. So when one of my friends didn't have one, I always gave my extra one to one of my friends so they could feel special, just like I did when I could pop this open and use it as a pen. Back in the day, we thought having one of these were so cool. Oh, so I wanted to make sure that I wish you guys a very happy 4th of July. Now go out there and eat, get on the grill, and make something delicious, bake something delicious, and then I'll show you at the end of this video what I made for the 4th of July. It's nothing fancy, it's just something simple because a couple of weeks ago we already barbecued for my birthday. So we decided that we were just going to have something simple for this 4th of July. But I expect to hear all the wonderful things you guys did on the 4th of July. So get on out there, and I'm going to find a spot where I could either see the fireworks or I'm going to watch them on TV. Because the 4th of July isn't the 4th of July unless you are watching some type of fireworks and you're eating something good. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day and have a wonderful, wonderful 4th of July. And this is what Miss Renee made for the 4th of July. Stick to the end so you can see a picture of what me and my husband was grubbing on the 4th of July. All right, you guys, take care and I love you and be safe out there on the 4th of July. Have fun, but don't have too much fun, okay? I love you and Miss Renee will see you in the next video. Take care. Now this is what we had for the 4th of July dinner.